Hello! Today we will talk about the most popular style for floor plans among our clients, the Scandy style. The Scandinavian style is a combination of simplicity, functionality, and coziness. In our floor plans, we use the characteristic features of this style to create spaces that appeal to people. Functionality. Scandy embodies the concept of less is more, making floor plans simple yet functional and comfortable for living. Natural materials. We use natural wood, stone, and textiles to create a natural and warm atmosphere that promotes relaxation and comfort. Light and space. Light shades and large windows make our floor plans bright and spacious, creating a sense of freshness and freedom. Cozy minimalism. The Scandy style is known for its clean lines and cozy details, such as soft blankets, fluffy rugs, and decorative pillows, which add coziness and individuality to the interior. These characteristics make Scandi-style floor plans attractive to people who value comfort, functionality, and naturalness in their homes. This solution fits seamlessly into spaces of any size, shape, and purpose, whether it's a bedroom, nursery, living room, kitchen, or bathroom. Many will appreciate this design for its minimalism and coziness. It's a style for free-spirited individuals unafraid of self-expression. The Scandi style won't leave your clients indifferent. It will charm them and encourage them to engage in long-term cooperation. Scandi-style floor plans are available on our website. Try the Scandi style for real estate sales. Place your first order with a 35% discount. Use promo code GETSTART.